Hello everyone, this is Analytics Kira, and if you want to be a business analyst or you want to learn these mentioned tools, Excel, Advanced Excel, VBA, SQL, Power BI, some more Python or Tableau, you can subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's start with today's session. So guys, in today's session we'll talk about pivot tables. In order to use pivot tables, we need to understand before what is the importance of pivot tables. So let's look at it first. Pivot tables are used to summarize, sort, reorganize, group, count, total, or average data stored in a database. So when you have a big amount of data and you want to summarize that data into a table, or you want to sort that data into a defined format, or you want to do some calculations into that data. So for that purpose, basically pivot tables are used. So let's do some practical exercise and let's see how this can be useful to analyze or summarize the data. This is the sales data of an organization, starting with the order date, region, representative name, item, unit sold, cost price, selling price, profit per unit, and the total profit. So in this data, I'm not able to represent any information that could be useful for the organization. So what I need to do, I need to summarize the data. So what I'll do over here is I'll press Alt N V and enter to insert the pivot table. So guys, before applying pivot table, we need to understand this area over here, that is pivot table fields. The parameter shown here determines the headers that we are having in our table. This is the filter that we can put into our table as per our criteria defined. This is the column. A pivot table will be created and some values will be wanting in the columns and some values will be there that will be considering in rows. So these are there for that purpose, and values are there to perform any calculations into a particular field. So let's start and look at the first question. Tell me the total sales date wise. Okay, I need to calculate total sales date wise. What I'll do, I'll just drag this order date into the rows column and deselect the month as I only want the date. So thereafter I'll select the selling price and I'll drop down into the values column. So this is showing me the total sales as per the date. What if company ask me I want sales as per the largest to lowest? So I'll have to do nothing. I'll just go in sort and I'll select sort to largest to smallest. Okay, let's head to question number 2. Tell me the total sales date wise and region wise. Okay, now I want sales as per date and as per region. So what I'll do nothing. I'll just drag this region also into the rows. Here I can see here are the dates. Now on 11th January we have the sales on east 1,24,000, north 4,28,723, south 1,47,516, and so on. We can also change or do some settings in the layouts, like we can move this region to column, so that would be better for us to understand the scenario. So let's head to question number 3. Now which item had the maximum sale on 11/1/2019. Okay, let's go on pivot table fields, deselect the order date, region. I want to track the items, which item had the highest sales on 11th of January. Okay, I'll drop this into filter. Now I'll filter for 11th Jan. Here I select the 11th Jan. I press OK. Now I want the highest one, so I'll sort the values from largest to smallest. So I can conclude over here is mobile had the highest sale, following hard disk, desktop, charger, and so on. Let's set to question number 4. Top 3 items having highest sales till date in Pan India. Okay. Top 3 items highest sale. Deselect it from the filter. This will tell me the highest sale. Hard disk had the highest sale overall in Pan India, that is of 4,58,031 rupees. I can do some formatting as well in this data. I can select like this and I go to currency and I click here. So like this I'm able to understand the data more clearly. Okay, let's head to question number 5. Tell me the items have highest sale region wise. Okay, now I want the item sale region wise. Here I have Pan India. Now the question is for region wise. Okay, I drag the region into rows and again I'll move them to column to have the better understanding of the data. So here I have the item sale as per the region wise. This is east, this is for north, this is for south, this is for west, and this is the grand total. Let's set to question number 6. Top 3 items given highest profit to the company. Okay, I want to check the profit now instead of sales. Okay, I'll do nothing. I'll just click over here and I remove this from values and I drag the total profit into the values. So here I have the total profit now. Now I want the highest one. I can sort it as largest to smallest. So hard disk has given company the highest profit. Let's head to question number 7. Top 3 representative given highest profit to the company. Okay, company have to retain its good employees as well. So company want to check who were the best performing representatives. Okay, instead of items I'll drag the representatives into the rows. So here I can see, let me sort the data. This will do my job. Jessica is the highest performing representative in the company. So let's head to next question. Tell me the contribution of each representative in company's overall profit. Okay, here I have the contribution on the basis of the total value. Now what I want is the contribution as per the percentage. Company wants to see how much Jessica, how much Prince have contributed in company's overall profit. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to Analyze tab, Field Item and Sets, Calculated Field. I'll add one more field over here, that is percentage of profit contribution. You can name it as you like. I'll drag this, or I can just click over here and click on insert field, and I'll add this and press OK. So here I can see, you can check there are similar values. I have added one column into this table, but these are showing the same values. Now I need percentage over here. What I'll do, I'll just click over here and go in values field, sum of percentage of profit. I'll select value field settings, and I'll select the percentage of grand total, and I press OK. So this is how much the Jessica have contributed in company's profit. 38%, Prince 23%, Mira 19%, Ashley 12%, and Brittany is least performing. So let's head to next question. Tell me the contribution of each item in company's overall profit. Okay, till now we were checking the contribution of each representative. Now we want to check the contribution of each item into a company's profit. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just remove the representative and I select the item. So here I can see hard disk is the highest contribution in company's overall profit as per the percentage determined. This contributing as 25% in company's total profit. So that's great, cool. So like this, you guys can also summarize the data as per your company's requirement, as per your requirement. That's all in today's session. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next session. Thank you.